Hello everyone, my name is Roberto Campos and I will be teaching your Counseling 11 course for the next 8 weeks. I decided to make this introductory video to let you know who I am and where I am coming from. In 2007, I decided to enroll to Santa Monica College because I knew I was not ready for higher education to a four-year institution. Part of my support system, it was Jackie, which is part of EOP&S, which I was also a student worker, and as you can see here, volunteered to be Santa for their annual Christmas tree event. In 2010, I traveled abroad to Belize and Guatemala, and this was through a scholarship as well. Okay, finally, after 4 years, I was able to transfer out to UCLA as Chicana Chicano Studies, and the summer before I began UCLA, I took part of a program called TSP, and this was to help community college students transition to UCLA for the fall quarter. I also traveled abroad at UCLA to Spain and Morocco. So you can see left hand side, that was Spain, bottom was Morocco, riding camels with Julie. Okay, at UCLA I ended up completing college honors as well as minored in educational studies, and that is a graduation picture of my family. Okay, so in 2013 I began USC, which is the School of Education, for my master's in educational counseling. There I had my support systems through my cohort, Dr. Venegas, the School of Social Work, and scholarships such as Best and Brightest, Latino Alumni Association, and Town and Gown. Okay, currently I am an adjunct counselor at PCC since 2016, as well as Compton College. As you can see on the right hand side, I'm at Compton at the Transfer and Career Center. This is creating path and being student center for all students in need. And fun fact about myself, I've traveled to 32 countries, and as you can see here, it's been such a journey. I owe all this traveling experience to higher education, given that I was able to study through scholarships. My advice would be as resourceful as you can. Okay, thank you, and I look forward to meeting you all.